Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'm just going to do a roundabout today. I'm parked up at a parking position on the left hand side. I'm going to be moving off. I'm going to be turning right at the end of the road. I'm going to carry all my checks. I'm going to signal. That's going to benefit other road users. So there's a meeting situation, so I'll wait to let that white car get through, and then I'll go after the white car. So I check all my mirrors. So there's a potential hazard. There's a guy that's standing here on the left hand side. Just be aware and give yourself enough. So we don't have to signal right here, but if you do signal, there's nothing wrong with it because the road marking and the sign tells us otherwise. So check all three mirrors, and there's two more pedestrians that are about to cross. And hopefully we check the mirrors again and we're good to edge forward. And we're going to come to the giveaway line and we're going to stop and we're going to do the checks. So we're literally right at trying to get into the road, so it's a bit busy, but we're going to carry out checks. So left is clear, ahead is clear, right is clear, and then we're good to go. So as I'm turning into the new road, I'll check all my mirrors. So there's a sign here, which I'm going to follow the sign to Ilford, which is A123. So that will be second exit, and that will be before 12 o'clock. So I'm only going to indicate after passing the first exit. And I'm right at the traffic light. There's a bus in front of me and there's only one lane. So I'm going to check all mirrors and I'm going to be following the road marking that tells me A123. So this is exit number 1, as you can see where the bollard is. Mirror, mirror, signal, and this is my exit. Ilford A123, as the road markings and the sign tells me otherwise. And then once I get out, I'll check all my mirrors, and then I'll build up my speed, which is a 30 miles per hour. So that was the second exit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe, and we'll create some more videos about roundabouts. So the roundabout that we just done, it's a traffic light controlled. And yeah, thank you for watching.